Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. Got a Porsche GT3 991 3.8 litre, this one here. That's the factory exhaust. Today I'm just fitting the sport exhaust, so give it a bit more power. Customers already bought this, so just fitting it to the to the car, and then I'll put the bar back on and go for a road test. But yeah, just want to show you guys what I'm doing today. Pretty nice car, this one, very nice. Underneath, if you want to see underneath the car. This one here is a Shark Works exhaust, rear. So okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.